Good afternoon, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Chris, and you're watching Lehigh Valley Back to Business, a channel that we feature all our businesses on. And today we're going to be talking about the new Akari third brake light mount and the new Strobes and More Galaxy Elite strobe light that we bought for the new 2019 F350 plow truck. The Akari installation kit for the third brake light mount for strobe light. So the reason we have to do that is because the new Fords are aluminum, all aluminum. So magnetic mounts won't stick to aluminum. So now you need these kits. So this is everything you get in the kit. This is where your third brake light is gonna go. You got your insulation. I believe these go on the back here, and then your hardware, simple bolts, and then the actual Akari platform. This is the 22-inch version because obviously my light's gonna fit right on top. So from Strobes and More, got our light. So that's going to mount just like that, and permanent mount. So yeah, let's get to, I'm going to show you guys how to do the full install from start to finish. I'm going to be wiring it. I'm going to be wiring it into the upfitter switches. Just going to need one upfitter switch, and then I actually have a second aftermarket momentary switch that I'll hook into that in order to change all the patterns, because I believe this has something like 30 patterns or something like that. So I'll be able to change that from inside the truck too. So yeah, let's get started. So before you start the whole cab process, you have to fish the wire through, so you want to make sure you do this next part before you finish clamping the base to where the third brake light is. So what I did was I marked my 4 holes for the permanent mount. We drilled them out. I drilled out my hole for my wire, and I put a rubber grommet with the slot in it, and I fit it in there. And that way we get a nice seal for the wire, and we're not worried about that. So then when we flip it around, start putting the bolts in. Alright, so I got 1/4 inch, I got rubber washers, try to minimize the any water getting in there. And we feed it up through. Nice clean install, permanent mount. Now, gotta go in here and tighten these. When you tighten it down, you want to make sure you're looking to make sure all of the foam is touching evenly on each side, because if not, water's going to get in there. So next step is going to be putting this back on. Now, it's gotta go in this channel here, the lip. Alright, installed. Alright, so what we're gonna do for the running the wire, we can go right along. So these come out in the new Fords. So our wire is coming up through the headliner from the brake light. We're gonna run it, just pulls back. We're gonna run it down in there, down through the channel here, have it come all the way through here. We're gonna go through up there where the plow and the salt spreader wires are. That will take us out. That'll take us out to over here. And then in the new 17s and ups, all our upfitter switches are labeled here. And we'll tie into one of these. We'll do a ground. We'll leave one of the, I think the blue wire we'll leave in to run a momentary switch so we can change the pattern. And that's what we'll do. So I just wanted to show you, because it's probably going to be hard to record how I'm doing that. So I just wanted to show you where we're going and pretty much how easy it is. Alright, so I wanted to give you an update. Like I said, it's impossible to film this by myself and pull all this through. So closed everything up. The wire's running through here, coming through here. You can see right here, it's going through here, coming underneath here, going through here, and I've got it pulled right there. So now I'll fish two of the wires through, and then the others will go to the momentary switch that I will put in. Alright, so I think I'm going to mount the momentary switch underneath the salt spreader controller. I'll get you in here. So I think I want to put it right in here. It's a small little switch. It'll fit right there. So I'm going to hook up to auxiliary number 1, the switch in the cab, to turn this strobe light on and off. So all the auxiliary switches come into here, and they're terminated off. And right here tells you exactly which relay goes to what. So I want to use number 1. So that's the brown with the green leader. Alright, so we're going to hook our hat to here. We've got our grounds, 2 grounds that we're going to put into the ground to the vehicle. Alright, so we got our blue for 16 to 14 gauge, so we'll line it up with the blue on our crimper. And let me tell you, this crimping tool, freaking awesome. Never used one before until this project here. Alright guys, so the moment of truth, right? So we've got it hooked up to auxiliary number 1. Let's see if it works. Here we go, ready? Aha, it works, it works. I also tried the momentary switch and that works too, so that's pretty freaking awesome. So there you go, there's a nice complete installation on how to hook up your strobe light. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Got a lot more stuff coming for you on the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.